Summer is here, and if you're anything like me, you're probably looking for an excuse to fire up the 3D printer. So I printed 10 of the most popular summer-themed 3D prints that I could find to answer one question: which ones are actually worth your time and filament? Some of these turned out surprisingly useful, others were just plain fun, and a couple didn't quite live up to the expectations. They're ranked based on how useful, practical, and fun they actually are to use, not just how cool they look. Because at the end of the day, we want to print projects that actually get used, not just sit on a shelf or end up in the landfill. For anything that will be spending time outdoors, I'd recommend printing in PETG. PLA can struggle with prolonged sun exposure and heat, so it may not hold up as well over time. And if you have an enclosed printer that can handle ASA, that's an even better option for added UV resistance. And with that, let's start with number 10. Kicking off the list is the Breeze Buddy designed by Sketchy on MakerWorld. This little handheld fan is a fun mechanical build that uses a few M3 screws and a standard 608 bearing. The engineering here is genuinely impressive, and the assembly is surprisingly satisfying thanks to how well everything fits together. As for performance, the Breeze is pretty subtle. You're definitely not replacing an electric fan with this. I also added a small guard around the outside of the blades to avoid accidentally hitting my hand, so this might be a factor as well. As a weekend build or a conversation piece, it's still a really enjoyable print, but it remains on our number 10 slot for today. Coming in at number 9 is the Sandy Safe Beach Vault by Shop Therapy on MakerWorld. The idea is simple: screw it into the sand and use it to hide your phone, wallet, keys, or other valuables while you're swimming. Although the concept is simple, I did find it a little tricky to screw into packed sand and just ended up digging most of the hole by hand first. But once it's buried, it's a clever way to keep your belongings out of sight instead of leaving everything sitting on your towel. Now that your valuables are secure, the next challenge is keeping your beach setup from blowing away. At number 8 are these beach towel clips by GC Design on MakerWorld. These are incredibly simple and quick to print, but sometimes the simplest prints end up being the most useful. Instead of constantly fixing your towel every time the wind picks up, just clip it down and enjoy your day. This is one I definitely recommend printing in PETG for a little extra flexibility, especially if they'll spend plenty of time in the sun. Now with your spot secured, it's time to get into the water. Coming in at number 7 is the beer Buoy, created by Saluna 3D Design on MakerWorld. Shaped like a classic life preserver, this floating drink holder is designed to keep a standard 12-ounce can upright while you're relaxing in the pool or the lake. The wide ring helps stabilize your drink, so even if the water gets a little choppy, it's much less likely to tip over and spill. The creator also made an alternative version that uses pool noodles instead to cut back on material costs and print time. Is it essential? Probably not. But with over 19,000 saves on MakerWorld, this design is making waves, and it's easy to see why. It makes hanging out in the water a little bit more fun. Of course, summer isn't just about relaxing. Sometimes you need something to keep everyone entertained. Number 6 is a great print for the little ones at the beach. Now please enjoy watching a full-grown adult demonstrate the Beach Essentials kit for kids designed by Clavo on MakerWorld. Instead of printing just a shovel or bucket, this kit includes scoops, sifters, molds, and a variety of beach tools that pack neatly into a portable watering can. We printed ours using our new Unveil Form matte PETG available in our store right now, which gave everything a real clean finish while being durable enough for outdoor use. The best part? Even if you lose a piece, you can just print another one. If you've got kids or you're just a grown adult looking for an excuse to play in the sand, this is an awesome weekend print. Number 5 might be the smartest design on today's list. This portable beach cornhole set by Buffalo 3DC replaces bulky wooden boards with screw-in targets that anchor directly into the sand. The pucks print in 2 halves, letting you fill them with sand once you arrive at the beach. This gives them that perfect amount of weight for throwing. Just be sure to keep sand out of the threads or they can be a little tricky to seal back up. It's clever, compact, and a great example of designing specifically for 3D printing. We've covered the beach, but summer adventures don't always happen by the water. At number 4 is probably the smallest print on today's list, but maybe the most important. This simple tick remover designed by NS Prints fits right on your keychain, so it's always there when you head outdoors. If you spend your summers hiking, camping, or walking along forest trails, it's one of those tools you hope you'll never need, but you'll be glad you packed it if you do. It only takes a few minutes to print and makes a great little gift for friends and family who spend time outdoors. Moving into the backyard, number 3 goes to this fully 3D printed bubble machine by Converve, available on MakerWorld. What's most impressive is that every moving part is 3D printed. No bearings, screws, or extra hardware are needed for this. Simply add bubble solution and start cranking. It does take some time to assemble, but the creator has made a simple walkthrough video of the entire process. It's definitely louder than what I expected, but watching a completely printed mechanism actually work like this is incredibly satisfying. If you enjoy printing mechanical projects, this one is definitely worth checking out. Launching into the number 2 spot is the sprinkler rocket from Severo on MakerWorld. Just connect it to a standard garden hose, turn on the water, and watch the rocket launch into the air. I love this thing. It's ridiculously simple, surprisingly effective, and probably the most entertaining print on today's list. Just be sure to adjust the water pressure because too much, and it might be mission critical. It's guaranteed to be a hit with kids and probably your dog too on a hot summer day. Taking the number 1 spot is the Cool 6 cooler designed by Tyler on MakerWorld. This compact cooler features thick hollow walls and a hollow lid that can be filled with low expanding spray foam insulation to help keep everything colder for longer. I printed this guy using our new Sunlu Pet G, which we've recently started carrying in our store, and I think this color combination turned out great. The lid uses a length of coat hanger wire as a hinge pin for added strength, and there's also room inside for an ice pack tray if you're just using 12-ounce cans instead of tall boys. A really thoughtful touch. Could you just buy a cooler instead? Absolutely. But then you miss out on spending over 40 hours and 1.5 kilos of filament printing one yourself. Between the practical features, rugged design, and the fact that you'll end up with a fully functional cooler you built yourself, the Cool 6 is the one that I'd actually pack for a trip to the beach. So those are my top 10 summer 3D prints, but I'm sure there are plenty of great designs I haven't seen yet. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite, or if there's another summer print you think deserved a spot on this list. I'll have links to every model featured in today's video down below the like button so you can print them out yourself. And if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more 3D printed content. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.